Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you how to check for TSC number application status online. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I want you to come on Google and search for TSC registration status, and then you'll scroll down and load this very website, which is going to lead you to this website. Here is the link, you can copy it. And then here, check registration status. So all you need to fill is the passport number or your ID number. And that is what we are going to do. And then after that, you will click on search. So it will search. And here is the report, Teacher Service Commission of Kenya Online Services. The name here, registration status is reset, meaning that the application has been rejected. And why has it been rejected? The reason is that she did not upload the original certificate of good conduct. So what she did, she used the good conduct receipt to apply for the TSC number. Was the receipt stamped by Huduma Center? Yes, it was stamped. Now her registration has been rejected and she has to wait for the good conduct certificate to be generated, and then she can reapply. So what does it mean? Do not apply TSC number using the good conduct receipt. The TSC number will not be generated. They need the original good conduct certificate, because all these certificates go through a process called attestation, where they have to verify the documents to see if they are originals and if they meet the standards that they want. So if you apply using the good conduct receipt, they really do not know if your good conduct is good. So you need to wait until the good conduct certificate has been generated, and then you apply your TSC number. Otherwise, if you wish to check for your TSC number application status, this is how to do it. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Like this video. Also, if you like my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on, so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on this screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.